sparkly world, and today we are doing just what we are doing. What does it say? Devil! Today we are going to make devils. We are going to make devil demon. Today I don't have been, I'm wearing. So let's get started. First we are going to use these headbands. And we have these colorful paper. We have this colorful paper. This one is glitter and this one is metallic. And we have the stencil. And we have some scissors and a pen and some hot glue. And you also need like a grown-up to help. We are going to do the devil. And I want to use with this metallic foam. Okay. Alright. Okay. And then go right here. Okay. Now go on this side. Flip, go this side. Okay. Okay, done. So this is how it looks like. All with the toys like these toys. So that's 4. And now we are going to cut. Oh, this one hurts. Oh yeah, it hurts. Yeah. Now I don't have to do it bigger. Ooh, the good scissors is still good. Okay, I'm done. It like that. Okay. Put on the hot glue. Put on the hot glue. So we are going to hot glue right here, and we're going to leave a space. Okay. I'm just going to put a little bit. Okay, Mama. Just a little. So that's why I'm putting at the meter. Okay, now we are done on this side. Now we're going to do the other side. So, if you need help for hot glue, ask your mom or dad. Or your older brother or your older sister. My mom is done having to. Now we are just going to do it on the headband. So now we are going to trim it. So we are done, and now we are going to put it on the headband. Now we are going to put hot glue. Ding. So I'm just going to move my finger so far. Mommy so far. That's more far. Okay. Now glue. Glue some more. Now we are going to do this bottom side. So if you still need go to help on the other side, ask your mom or dad to send help. Put hot glue. Done. Now we'll cover the bottom. Put it nearer. Can you hold this one? Now my mom is pressing the hot glue till it dries a bit. It's done. There you go, guys. I'm done. So don't forget to watch my Bamperina Bat Headband. So I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye bye. Happy Halloween.